Critical text effect in Illustrator.
All you need to do is choose your type tool, and I'm going to write out the letter X. I'm just going to make it a bit bigger and change the color to white, just like that. And I'm going to just drag it out a little bit, make it more square. And then what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a few duplicates of this. I'm just going to drag it down like so and make that one smaller, and then duplicate that one and drag it to the left like that. Now I'm just going to change these letters. Okay, and then with the first letter X, I'm just going to expand that, and then I'm going to change the fill to stroke, and then press Ctrl and C and Ctrl and F to paste in front, and just minimize your copy like that, and then highlight them both and click Object, Blend and Make, and then from your blend tool on the left there, double click that and then change that to specified steps. You can just use your up arrow on your keyboard to increase the steps until you're happy. Then once you're happy, choose your direct selection tool. Then you can grab one of these little corners on the inside and then just move them around to get a pretty cool effect, and then just keep doing that until you're happy. And I think I'm happy like that. Then you can do the same thing with your other ones, so expand them and change the fill to a stroke and Ctrl and C and Ctrl and F. But what you'll notice on this one is the inside stroke doesn't quite fit inside, so you need to manipulate this. So I'm going to move it up a little bit. Then with my direct selection tool, choose the bottom 2 points there and just drag them down, and then again highlight them both, make a blend, then get my blend options up, change the specified steps just like that, then click OK, and then I can move around my little points until I'm happy. Now what I might do on this one, I might just use the curve feature and just make some of the shapes a bit more interesting rather than just straight angles. So I think I'll just curve this one just like that, and I think I'm happy with that. I'm just going to quickly speed up the video and do the last letter. Same thing, I just need to modify the inside stroke, add the blend and change it around a little bit, and you should end up with something like this. Like and follow for more.